That bus over there got cross tracks just in the nick of time. It was underneath the crossing arms when the crossing gates was going down. I like that train. A little bit longer than the last two, but the longer they are, the more I like them. Anyway, like I was saying, that school bus got across the tracks just in the nick of time. I heard the train coming. I got the camera ready. Has not yet hit record, and when it was underneath the crossing gates, that's when it started coming down. And at this time, I want to thank. I got some new subscribers. I want to thank you for all the new subscribers and for the people who have been subscribed to my channel for a while. And since I'm thanking everybody, I want to thank another YouTuber. His name is Jason Aslan. I like to thank him too because I asked him for help with my YouTube channel, and right after I got that is when all the subscribers started coming in. So, Jason, if you're watching, thank you very much. I appreciate what you've done for me. And if you haven't subscribed to his channel, he has a lot of good train videos on his channel. So, if you have the time, subscribe to his channel. All you have to do is just look underneath Jason Aslan. That's his YouTube name. So, anyways, hope you have a good day where you're watching this from. And once again, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers and old subscribers. And I hope I get some more in the future. Other than that, I hope you have a good day wherever you are watching this. And stay safe out there, everybody.